In this video, I'm unboxing the brand new Favero Assiomas. These are the Pro RS2, so that means these are the old replacement of the Duos. There you go, the Assiomas. Yeah, if I take it out of the pocket and I'll leave this aside, and these are the babies. Okay, I'm just going to measure. I don't know how I need to push it. Yeah, there you go. Push it. There you go. I'll put this aside. Ooh, brand new. Neat. That's a neat packaging. Right. I will stick it here. Whoa, there it is. So, charging. I like the standard SPD SL, and then comes the Faveros. Wow, these are made in Italy. Oh my god, they made it so light. Okay, so let us measure it. And Favero claims that these are the lightest available in the market, and it doesn't disappoint, right? Look at that, 125 grams and 250 grams at both of them. And then charging cable and the warranty information. Weight is 330. Coming next is the install, ride and review, and once again thank you.